Take two. April 6, 2020, 10:45 p.m. Little recipe here I've been doing for years, but I've changed it up a little bit. And it's very healthy for you. The sulfides and onions are really good for fighting immune system, helping your immune system. That and garlic. Sweet onions and or red onions. Don't dice them, but cut them up like this, chunk them out. Get you some parchment paper or aluminum foil, spray it with a little bit of vegetable oil. Throw your onions on there, and I normally use garlic paste, and I'm out, but I use garlic salt and sea salt. You want to bake it at 425 for about 25 minutes. You don't want to burn them, but you want them a little bit crisp and brown, and they make a good side dish or a treat, and they're so good for you. If people don't even like onions, you wouldn't even be able to tell they're onions once you cook them. But yeah, sweet onion, sea salt, vegetable oil, garlic salt or garlic paste, 425 degrees for 20-25 minutes. And I'm getting ready to put